Green soybean has rich protein, various beneficial minerals, vitamins, and fiber. The rich protein, especially in green soybean, has very good quality and could be easily absorbed by the human body. Green soybean is the only dietary vegetation that has complete protein. Green soybean is a very nutritious food. It could be cooked as an appetizer, eaten with wine, or used as snacks. How is the safe, delicious, and healthy green soybean produced? Please see our introduction. There are 3 stages in the cultivation and processing of Chen green soybean. Stage 1. Planting and cultivating green soybean. Chen utilizes intensive agriculture, mechanized operation, and scientific management to plant its green soybean. Chen uses the most advanced agriculture product management system to manage its crops. Every land mass has its own serial number, and all the cultivation on the land is recorded in detail. So customers could trace the cultivation record on each and every package made by Chen. The use of pesticide is strictly controlled, and the pesticide residue is checked regularly. All products will also be sent to an official agency for rechecking to make sure of the safety of the products. In order to reduce insects and pests and cut down on the use of pesticide, Chen Foods installs insect catching lamps on the surrounding of the farm to reduce blight. Chen Foods is an excellent food manufacturing company which has passed many quality control certifications such as CAS, GMP, HACCP, ISO 9001, and EU certification. The whole production line has very strict quality control measures at Chen Foods. Stage 2. Harvesting and processing of green soybean. Before green soybean is mature and ready for harvesting, a random check is carried out in every land planted with green soybean. This check is to see whether pesticide residue measures are up to standards. Harvesting is then carried out after all the tests. Harvesting green soybean using harvesting machines. Fast harvesting and all the green soybean harvested is rushed into the processing plant to keep the green soybean fresh. Blight checking on green soybean. After green soybean is shipped to the factories, it is pre-checked on the truck to see whether other material causing pest damage is mixed with the raw material of green soybean. Processing is executed after the green soybean has met the quality control standard to ensure good raw material quality. After green soybean is unloaded from trucks, a full blight check is carried out again. Green soybean raw material is then classified to different grades. The grades are marked on pseudo package with semi-products inside for references in classification. They then put the green soybeans to the production line and use sand filtration machine to take dirt, rock, branches, and other miscellaneous articles away. We use the wind blowing machine to clean out leaves and lightweight pod. They're then washed in a washing tank. We use the brushy rolling wheel machine to take away hair. We use the shaking machine to take away the flat pod of green soybean. After continuous cleaning showers, use 100 degrees Celsius to roast green soybean continuously to stop fermentation within the green soybean. Cool the green soybean using cold water immediately. Use color selection machine to take away green soybean that is yellowish, bitten by insects, or with single bean pod. We then use cold water to cool the beans and then go through IQF to deep freeze the semi-product to -18 degrees Celsius. Use the pseudo package box marked with TBS serial number. After packaging, they're then delivered to freezers for storage. During the processing, quality control personnel continue to monitor, check, and record temperature, salinity, sweetness, and hardness of green soybean. Some samples are taken regularly from the production line to perform microorganism culture analysis. Stage 3. Selecting and packaging of green soybean. According to the standards set in customers' orders, experienced and professional personnel execute the final selection and take away defective products. Automatic weight measuring, packaging, and foreign metal check. The quality control personnel carry out finished product quality check. The products which meet the standard will then be allowed to be packaged and put in containers for shipping overseas. During the cultivation and processing of green soybean, Chen Foods controls every step and strictly adheres to standard operating procedures, SOP, in the production process. We wish to make the best Chen green soybean for customers around the world to enjoy with confidence and satisfaction.